landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until...
We are in the Plata of Macau. Later we will crossing a bridge. After the bridge we will to China.
If all others will become Chinese, they lost right here. Check out the window. On the right side, that is Macau already. There is Macau already. Just from Macau airport here, only 10 minutes, diba? Very. Now you are from mainland China already. Anybody been to China before?
Yes. Midnight food run.
Ay, ito parang kainan tong nasa kaliwa. Pero parang inuman doon.
So, ang dilema ng hindi nakakaintindi ng translator, pang sharing pala ang in-order. Kala namin tigisa kami.
Time check.
Time check it. Wala akong relo. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Anong oras na?
It's magwa 1:30.
1:30 na at bukas pa sila. Hello everyone! Good morning and welcome to China! Yesterday, nandito tayo sa China. Hindi sa Chinatown, hindi sa Binondo. Pero literal, nasa China tayo. So, we're currently in Zhuhai. Ayan. And today, nakababa na for breakfast. Quickly ko lang kayo i-room tour kasi makarat na yung room pa. Check out na kami. And mamadali na kasi malapit na yung bus. But this is how our room looks like dito sa Nanyang Seascape Hotel. And then, kompleto naman sila. Very Manila Hotel yung vibe. And, ayan. Ito yung CR. Medyo, syempre, nagamit na rin namin. Ayan. May hot and cold. Everything that you need. So, ayan lang. Nag-check-in lang ako. And, let's go na kay Thea. Guys, din ako nakapag-breakfast. Time check. 9:13 pala.
Sabi kasi kagabi, 8:30 wake up call, 9:30 departure. Ano nangyari? 8:30, gusto, nandun na kami sa baba. Paano naman pagkagising, nasa baba na kami? Diba? Wake up call.
Ganun daw ba? Ganun daw ba 8:30?
Sabi diba 8:30 wake up call?
Hindi, kanina gusto na sa baba na tayo na 8:30.
Ayun, yun pala yung ibig sabihin ng receptionist. Kaya tumawag sa akin.
Amazing. See you later.
Sige, bukas tayo pinakamaaga. 6 pa lang nandito na tayo sa baba.
Pero wala pa akong tulog nun.
Wala ako tulog.
Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng sea.
No. Yes, 5. Which 5?
Tayo ay
Look at the sea. Look at the banana.
Which 7? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, we are now on our first stop. And it's that girl. Fisher girl something. There. And maraming tao. So, we'll see pa na kayo makakapag-picture.
Naglakad ka na, naglalakad.
Ang ganda ng ilaw. I'm sorry. Gonna try ano na lang. Vanilla latte.
Turo ko na lang sa namin.
Okay.
1. Okay. Ano sa'yo? Vanilla? 1. Okay.
Tsaka yung ham and cheese.
Croissant? With egg and...
So just now
Anyway
you see
guys,
what is
kami
the
na tayo
house
dun
like
sa
this,
coffee shop kasi
You remember?
wala siyang panukli.
So this is the
Kasi wala din kaming
reason.
WeChat
Just now you go to the CR,
Tapos
have
nag-work yung
experience,
Alipay.
spot, okay? So
hindi
if you
natin ay
cannot spot, please don't drink too much water.
Sobrang bait ni Thea. Siya yung nagsiserve ng pagkain. Nakitaan mo nga ng chopstick skills mo, sabi mo.
Haba kasi ng chopstick.
Oh, thank you. Hap. Internet soup. Ang isdang, ito kaya ay tayo sa West Philippines. Kasi sa China Sea. Sma? Panang fried. Is it chicken or Peking ba? Ito siya da? So it's chicken. Chicken, parang Inhawan. Inhawan chicken. Yung mga paparating price na?
Yeah.
Probably from a different view. I mean, paano food? Hindi ko nakita. May galit si Tita. Chan. Isang siya. Tuk lang po ito. Ayoko, Peking duck na ako. I don't eat Peking duck. It's Peking. Pero masarap po talaga. I know. Bakit? I understand. Ba't ganun na kamay? Hindi ko maintindihan. Anong lasa? Walang sauce. Meat to meat. Meat? Meat daw ng pusa. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow.
Meow meow. Aw aw.
Alam mo yung meat na ginagawa sa squid balls? Kaya fish ball. Parang kikiam.
Select process.
Kikiam. Ano? Parang ground.
Wala ko dun eh.
Wala kasing ganito sa classic sabor.
Oh, ano Althea, di pa sabi ko sa'yo. Tissue yung laman.
Sinabi ko rin makahapon. Kahapon, binigyan kami ng ganyan. Sabi ko sa kanya. Sabi, pag binuksan mo yan, may bayad yan, may bayad yan.
We are in a park somewhere, which I don't know. Foshan Lingnan Park, I think. And this is how it looks like. Follow, follow, follow! Guys, hindi namin alam saan kami pupunta, pero susundan lang namin siya. So, we should have went just straight ahead. Namikot pa tayo. So, papasok na po kami ngayon sa Intramuros. Tingnan nyo po. Sa Intramuros lang po kami. Diyan, diyan na. Bibicturean ko sa story ako. Intramuros. O kaya Chinatown. Guys, look at the details. Grabe. What an art. See all those details. Amazing. And all those written on the walls. Amazing. We found an air-conditioned place, pero hindi namin maintindihan kasi naka-Chinese. Ay, hindi, charot. May English pala. Sorry. Inassume ko kagad na puro Chinese. Amazing. And aesthetic. Very aesthetic. Hindi ko museum to. Pero ngayon pinapag-anahan. Yeah, I think it's a museum. number.
119.
Ah, 119? Ah, dito pala.
Yes. And the water is coming.
Thank you. Saan ang 119? Nakita mo na, Teng? Ayun yung tower, be. Yun na siya.
而德明是珠江河上连续4座的第4座公路桥，建于1988年，连接越秀区及海珠区，跨越珠江。大桥为双塔单索面斜拉桥，全程。
Guys, there's the Canton Tower. Amazing. Here's our room. Let's see. Mag-room tour muna tayo. Okay, wala siyang... Here's the room. Say hi. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Dito na lang ako ulit. Kasi, you know, I'll be working. So, here's our room. Very regal. And... Hindi mo kaya may bathtub. Teya, hindi mo kaya may bathtub. Chan-chanant. Hindi mo kaya. Toothbrush na tayo. Hi, guys! Yuck! Meron kami little experiment. Kasi wala kaming chopsticks. Hindi kami makahingi sa front kasi hindi sila marunong mag-English. So, yung complementary ng toothbrush. Ikaw muna titikin. Ako muna titikin. Uy, in fairness! Pwede siya! Life-changing. Maanghang. Wala masarap. This is quattro cheese. Ang Hindi lahat kasi ni Teya lahat eh. Kasalanan ko. Ako yung nagsabi. It's good. Diretso toothbrush. Diretso toothbrush. Mag-fork na rin ako. May tissue kaya dala? Ito tissue. Good. Para siyang Hainanese. I think Hainanese. White meat ka? Duck. Sorry, I don't eat duck. May backstory kasi. Ano yun? Ano yun? Sabi mo sa akin. Ang first country na puntahan ko ng bata pa yung Hong Kong. Tapos yung mga Peking duck, nakasabit talaga siya. Like, literal. May ulo, may paa. So like, ever since bata ako. Kaya nakita ko para sa niluluto. Ayoko na kumain. Yung chicken kasi meron din, pero like, I have eaten chicken before that happened. So, yun lang. That's the backstory. I hope you understand and don't judge me. Anyway guys, di para doon pa si Teya. Sobrang talaga ng bagal kumain. Anyway, see you later.
Yeah, ready? I'm ready, okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, hindi namin alam kung nasan kami kasi puro Chinese yung... Basta pala siyang old temple daw yan. Like, dyan nakatira yung king.
Ano ata?
Before, wait lang. Yan, yan yung sa likod namin. Yun yung parang palace ng king before. Pero, since artificial na lang siya. Ang totoo daw niya is nasa Beijing siya. So anyway, so malang siyang parang park ngayon. And we were given 1 hour. Probably, in San Yat-sen siguro. We don't know the name. So, ayan, lalakad lang kami and very nature. Ganyan. Eh, pero malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Parang medyo Tagaytay Baguio feels kapag summer. Ganon. Ah, iba pa siya.
This is... Hindi ko alam.
Basta ayan. We're going somewhere. Hanap lang kami ng place. Ay, be! Ito yung may map. Let's check the map. So, it's called, New Yuan Ming Palace. Thank you so much for the map. So, ganyan siya kalaki, guys. Look, para siyang isang theme park. So, we're just gonna check kung saan namin gustong pumunta. Ganda ng fit ni Taya for today's video. Very tita. Very tita. Very rich tita.
So, this is from
Uniqlo. Pants.
Mas alam mo? Short.
Kasi di ba we
Ay,
bought
ano to?
yan?
Skirt
Skirt is from...
Matandaan. Online shopping. Lazada ata. Tapos...
shoes is from...
Puma.
Bag is from where?
Bag is from... Pen Shop. This is
Pen
from
Shop.
Pen Shop.
And then watch is from...
Watch is from Timex.
And then your
Phone-
necklace
phone is from...
phone is from Power Mac. Ay, Brenda Box ba yan?
Power Mac.
Power Mac.
Oh my gosh.
Please. Ang ganda, tita. Very classic. Hindi pa po. Ito pa lang po kami una. Nahanap kami ng place to take a photo. Let's go. So, ayan guys. Sa Burnham Park lang kami. Kita nyo ba yung mga nirentahang yan? Burnham Park yan. Okay.
May cable car. Kaya magkikita-kita ng 315 kasi doon tayo dadalhin.
Ayan na ba yung cable car? Yung nakikita na sa mga
Iba yun,
iba yun.
maraming condition. Hindi ko alam kung yun.
We don't have this one. We have the meat lemon tea now, and this one. Maybe you can.
How about this one?
No, we don't have milk tea now, but we have this.
Kaya ko yun. Just this one?
Meat lemon tea.
And then one.
Normal ice, okay?
No more ice? It's okay.
Yes, no more ice.
But is it cold?
What?
Cold or hot?
Cold.
Cold, okay.
Cold. Normal ice.
Okay.
Just wait.
Try ka to.
Okay.
One.
One and one of this. Yes.
Cold or
Ice.
hot?
No, ice.
Cold. Yes. Walang kasi ng ice, so cold lang.
Total 13 seconds. Do you have one?
One? 10 lang meron ako. Ay, may one pa. Amazing. Guys, dito sa China, kailangan meron kayong try nyo WeChat Pay. Yung Alipay kasi parang konting stores na din yung tumatanggap. Okay lang din may cash. Pero mostly sa kanila dito is cashless na. So kahit magbayad ka ng cash, wala na silang panukli. Not unless marami kang barya. Kasi nga, konti na lang yung nagbabayad ng cash. So parang meron silang system of ordering. Doon ka o-order. Tapos doon ka na rin magbabayad online. Para siyang yung mga food panda pick up sa amin. Or grab pick up. Or Boopy. Ganun.
What I appreciate about iPhone 16 dahil
Yeah, yung may status.
it's vanilla.
Anyway, ayun lang. Hintayin namin yung order namin. Taste test.
Kaya ba kami na-order? Ano nasa sa'yo?
Lasang lemon na may herb. May herbs. May herbs. Herbs? May herbs. Sarap.
Topping?
Yung topping yung boba. You like it?
Hindi ko maintindihan pero masarap.
Masarap din naman yung akin.
Marami kami nakain dito na hindi namin maintindihan pero masarap.
Let's go. So, lasa siyang herbal tea. Taste.
Asong gulaman?
Ang dami akin.
Wait lang.
Diba?
Ano yung wala? Parang uminom ng ano? Poison. Pero ang sarap.
Sarap. Diba?
Crave for more.
Diba? Basta, hindi.
Masarap
We
ang
don't
tea dito.
understand but we love it. May nahabol kaming oras. Let's go back. Kasi hanggang 3:15 yung
Sakto na.
meet up
10
time.
minutes na lakad. O,
Let's
dito
go.
may ahas daw dito.
Hi guys, we're now on our third hotel. So, tatapasin tayo. Dito kami sa Zhuhai 2000, I think. Ito naman very modern na yung hotel namin. And then, let's check the... Oops, how do you open? Ay, ganito siya. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Tapos na-disappoint tayo. Wow! Oh my God! Such a nice view. Ay, be, parang maganda tong time lapse. Anyway, so that's it. Ang iba namin, guys. Pero, super cute. Anyway, here's the CR. Let's see. That's me. Hi. And siya. Very modern. Love it. Okay. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Asan yung ano? Ah, okay. Ay, bongga.
Mood ba to?
Hindi ko alam kung may ibang mode. Oh, smile! Anak! Charing. Hello! We are inside of the cable car. Picture. That's the view! Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng view! It's the sea. Padada! Guys, this is the view! Amazing! Malamig dito sa taas. Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Darating pa niyan mamaya. But, gutom na kami. Wala na kami energy. Let's go. Good morning. Bawal daw ang picture at video. So, kaya na ako magpipicture at mag-video. Nakalabas na kami. Parang siyang bahay ni Rizal. Sino nga siya? Dr. Song Yit-sing.
Sun Yat-sen.
Sun Yat-sen.
Sino siya?
Revolutionary daw siya.
Siya ba si Zhongshan?
Oo, siya din siya. Song Yit-sen. It's our guide, Peter.
Ayoko din ako picture.
Peter.
Cellphone ba?
So, ayan. Gagawin nila, bibigay nila lahat ng cellphone nila hanggang sa marami siyang... Hi!
Picture ba kayo kayo?
Guys, pinapag-graduate kami dito. Charing.
We also can take a photo with the Putala Palace here. This is the highest palace in the world. You can see the highest at sea level.
Cancel, pass, and change together. So I hope you can visit by yourself in the future. I believe you will like it very much, okay? Okay, let's continue this way.
Lunch sa din.
So, nagko-contemplate po sila kung parehas po ulit yung isa-serve sa aming pagkain. Kasi for the past few days, paulit-ulit yung ulam.
Hindi pala siya duck. Goose pala yung kinakain namin.
O, ano yung una, tita? Judge.
Kare-kare? May halaan.
Sinigang?
Oo ba siya?
Iba. Ah, wow, iba. Yesterday.
Delicious po.
Unlimited hot pot and barbecue.
Spoon. Spoon and fork. Fork.
Guys, inaaway ako ni Thea. Ano sabi mo?
Vlogger natin nakakalimutan ng vlog.
Mukbang. Eh, anong lasa? Sarap. Sarap yung octopus.
Sarap.
Chewy?
Perfect yung pagkakaluto.
Wow. Food connoisseur. Kasi gumawa siya ng sauce. Pakita mo naman yung sauce mo kung anong halo. Explain mo.
Ang halo niya is chimchap.
Kakainis?
Eh, kasi yun ang hindi.
Cheers. Cheers. Hello guys, good morning. It's our last day today sa Zhuhai, and after namin kumain ng breakfast, we will be going back to Macau. And then, ikot lang kami saglit doon. Babalik na kami ng Pilipinas. But before that, hindi ko alam if na-video ko na. But this is the view of our hotel. We're staying at 2,000 Years Hotel. Yun talaga yung name, 2,000 Years. Ayan. Yan yung view namin. Hehe, ang amazing. But anyway, ayun lang. Magliligpit na kami. Siguro, I would just, bago ako bumaba, magbibigay lang ako ng quick review sa tour na to. Well, first of all, I just confirmed na ito pala ay subsidized ng government. So, basically, ang binayaran lang namin dito is pamasahe, which is worth $200. And then, everything, yung tours namin at itong 5-star hotel namin, yung mga transfers, everything is subsidized by the government, even our food. So, hindi natin alam kung ulit mauulit itong subsidy na to. So, if you want, go ahead and book this kasi minsan lang magkaroon ng ganitong opportunity. So, ayun lang. Even though wala namang like masyado kaming ginawa, nakita. But the thing is, it's subsidized. So, ayun lang. Ayun si Thea, nag-aayos ng gamit. Mag-aayos na rin ako. Bye-bye.
Day 4? 5 na kasama yung flight na rin. Day 45.
So, we are here sa... Yes! DJI Osmo 2.
So, this is our tour guide.
Say hi, Peter.
Hello.
Number 1, budolero. You know what budol?
I know Budol.
You know budol? Budol as always.
My job is... This is my job.
You're so good.
You're so good with your job. So, where are we right now, Peter?
Silk factory.
We're at the silk factory. Yay! Oh my God, Jazz!
I love you.
Take care, love you. Kiss Chichi and Mommy for me. Love you. Bye bye. Let's hope walang masyadong tao sa Parisian. Ay, may pulis na ngayon, guys. 2009, back then, wala pang pulis. May pulis na. Amazing. Hanapin ko lang yung spot kung saan ako dati. Hi guys, we're here now at the Venetian. So, kita nyo kung gaano kasyala yung place. With the chandeliers and with the carpets.
Haba pa ang araw namin. Baka mga 12 hours pa kami kailangan gising. So,
true.
Sana makakita kami ng Starbucks here or sa airport. Ay! Nakakita ko ako ng Starbucks.
Oh my God! Tingnan nyo. Napakagaling ni Thea talaga mag-manifest. Nakikita nyo ba yan?
Do you believe in manifestation?
Ayan na yung Starbucks. Hindi yung ulong yan ha. Pero to, ayan na yung Starbucks. Oh, amazing!
Pero ito ata ang pinakasyalang Starbucks. So far, sa mga nakita. Ano ba yan? Gipin ko.
Guys, dito na kami sa Paris. Yon. There you go. Let's get inside. Guys, that's Parisian. There you go. Yan siya. Hanap na tayo ng picture. Place where to picture. Where are you following me? Hindi video ko. Tawag sa London. Ano ito yung view from the Londoner. Yan siya. That's the Big Ben. Picture kaya mo tayo sa Big Ben. Parang mas okay dito kasi din sa kabila. Mas maraming tao. Sa ACOD. Venetian. Ayan, nakaganti ka na sa akin.
Parang maganda kayo. Ay, ang galing! Kinasal sila doon.
True. So, di na pwedeng pumasok doon kasi nga pang kasal yan. Yeah, Londoner. We are now here at the Venetian. Hi guys, we're finally here at the airport. At nandito kami ngayon sa Starbucks just to lounge and chill before we leave. So we ordered, this is a flavor na dito lang ata available. It's the pretzel. How do you say it? Is it here? Okay, wala siya. Basta ano siya, it's pretzel something. Basta yon, something na may pretzel oat latte. So that's what I got. So hi! Oh my gosh! Loki! Wait, picturean mo. Sobrang cute. Wait lang. Magre-reaction video tayo. Oo, nire-record talaga kita. Open ko rin yung sa akin. Let's see how it looks like. Kung meron din. I got the latte one. Oh! Loki! It's so cute! Let me take a photo too. Hindi natin here.
It tastes nothing.
Yeah. Because
Not
of the
but
pretzel.
Hindi pa rin siya not.
Basta yun. Medyo may not.
Nabudol na to. Ang dami na yun.
Ay, magkwento pala tayo sa kanila. Kasi ending na. So,
nga pala. So, hindi nasama sa video kasi bawal mag-video dun sa
okay,
mga...
so ganito guys. I-share ko yung experience namin sa trip ko. So first, we booked it kasi sobrang mura. We got this for $200. And 5 stars yung hotel, kasama yung mga food, transportation, everything. But of course, walang free sa mundo. So, ako muna magkikwento sa inyo. So, caveat niya, dahil nga mura siya, is puro siya shopping. So, for you to have the economy of China, i-require kayo, so lahat, when there's shopping, it's mandatory. So, you have to come in sa shop. Of course, di naman mandatory mag-buy. Pero, of course, bubudulin nila kayo doon. They will, of course, try their best to sell. So, once you're there, ipapakita talaga nila na maganda yung products nila. So, yeah. So, first shop namin, kwenta namin, kasi hindi nga pwede mag-video.
What's the first shop?
The first shop was a latex shop. So, basically,
yung mga kutsyon.
Yeah, so mga kutsyon, mga unan, ganyan. So, dahil need naman talaga namin yun for a better sleep, since we are very hardworking professionals.
Professionals!
No, kasi both of us are in graduate school, and
my parents are already senior, high school, senior citizen.
so, ayun. So, napabili kami doon. So, huwag yun na lang tanongin yung price, pero it's outrageous. Pero
kumbaga yung...
It's a good investment.
Very, very good investment. Kasi
nga, if
Japanese ano rin siya.
Japanese brand
siya.
I think if pinagastusan mo nga yung phone mo, wow, bakit di mo gagastusan ang sleep mo, which is very important for your health.
Very important siya lalo na sa mga parents. I mean, sa mga matatanda. Kasi di ba yung mabilis makuba.
Yes.
So, yung posture nila, yung spine, ayun.
So, that's one. And then the second shop is...
I think that's the jewelry shop?
Yeah, or the medicine shop.
I think the medicine shop.
Okay, so we went to a medicine shop, like people from Tibet. So,
Tibetan
iba yung mga herbs nila doon. Kasi
iba yung way ng
pag-heal. Basta, meron silang long history.
Pag-dissect, pag-determine ng sakit. Kasi nga, wala silang machine. So, sobrang hirap makapunta doon sa yung mahal ng flight, ganun. And sobrang hirap ng buhay doon. So, iba yung way nila kung paano nila ma-detect yung sakit. So, doon sa factory, not really factory, but doon sa
place where parang doon ka lang makakabili ng Tibetan medicine.
Kasi mayroon silang Tibetan doctors doon.
So chinek kami ng doctors, tapos kapag may sakit ka is, bebentahan ka ng gamot. Which is, in our case, naman kami sakit. So, di kami nabentahan. So, we're more
naman sa
safe.
Na you don't have to buy anything. You're healthy.
Ayan. So, that's one.
And then, you're healthy. And ang sabi lang naman talaga.
At saka nagpapayat daw ako.
Hindi, ang sabi rin niya, di ba? Parang na-determine niya na, ikaw, lagi masakit ulo mo. Syempre in Chinese, as may nag-translate. Masakit ulo mo. Kasi, uminom ka ng tubig. Tubig kasi yung inumin mo.
Tsaka wag daw cold water. Okay, next. The next third is the jewelry shop. So actually, kaya kami nabudol doon. Kasi kabayan namin siya rin.
May Filipino blood.
May Filipino blood daw kasi siya.
Dawa. Pero, hindi wala naman kami. Good. Ano naman, yung tatay, kumbaga yung great-grandfather niya.
Tatay
is
niya.
pure.
Great-grandfather niya. So we got this matchi. Pakita mo. Matchi breeze. I got the green one. And then I bought this jade necklace kasi mahilig ng mami ko sa jade. So, i-share kami dito. Tapos siya, bumili siya ng...
Bumili ako ng sapphire set ng ring and necklace. And I bought my mom a ruby set naman. So, actually, kaya ako binili kasi wala lang. Gusto ko kasi dalawa. Tapos binili ko siya sa nanay ko.
Diba? Ganon din ako. Bumili ako pero share kami ni mama. Para pasalubong ko kay mama. And then the last one, kanina is like a silk factory. So of course, as you know, with history, best silk comes from China. So if you're really like into silk, probably you'll be able to buy. Kasi in our case, I'm not into silk. Like, I don't have the money.
So like, hindi ko pa siya ma-appreciate.
Yeah, it's not, hindi pa siya yung sa age range ko.
The quality is really good.
Yeah, so ayun.
And kasi yung fun fact lang, kasi sa group namin, I mean sa buong bus namin, parang kumbaga dahil nabudol na nga, sobrang budol na kami yun sa first 3. Wala na talagang nagpabudol. Tapos kumbaga kanina, nagbebenta kasi sobrang important daw
sa Chinese
buena mano. So if ever na yung pinakaunang customer is walang mabenta. So very bad luck for the business daw yun. So ang nangyari, ang ginawa nila, binaba nila yung price hanggang sa, pero kami hindi na rin para kami talaga nagpabulay kasi, ayun lang. Kasi, wala lang. Okay na yung 3 days na ako nagpapaloko sa mga Chinese.
But anyway, so ayun,
the final say about Guangzhou.
Guangzhou is very underrated.
They're very underrated ang China in general.
Yeah.
I mean, province pa lang yung pinatahan namin, pero it's like, parang yung buong Guangzhou, hindi naman lahat na, pero like, a huge percentage of the land is like para tayong nasa BGC and Ayala.
It's a mix of everything. Actually, yung mga stories ko nga natatawa sila kasi paiba-iba yung place na tinatag ko. Kasi I can like see a resemblance of any part of the world dito sa China. Kaya talaga magaling sila sa paggaya ng mga, kaya yung mga made in China, galing sila mag-replicate. So, and they're also good businessmen. But anyway, overall, if you also want to try, hanggang December na lang, I think, yung may subsidy ng government.
As of this moment.
As of today is
recording.
November 4. So, as of this recording
session. And
so, ipopost ko. Hindi ko sure if may available pa. Pero update ko na lang tong video na to. Check the comment section or the description box if anong update. And I will be going home to Manila. I think nagkatawag din ng boarding. So,
happy anniversary sa jowa ko sa aming dalawa. The second anniversary ko.
Kaya may na-shoutout pang jowa dito. Ako kaya,
kasi habang nasa flight namin yung 12 a.m. So, hindi ko pa siya mababate. Pero nabate ko na siya dito. Which is, i-upload ni Emily like 2 years after. So,
you guys know me, I'm very busy.
Hello, 2026.
Anyway, so ayun lang naman. We gotta go, guys. Thank you so much for being with us. Ang haba na nitong part na to. Parang 11 minutes na siya.
Oh my God!
And ang sarap talaga nito. I'll have to find the name. Pupunta ko doon sa harap.
Peppermint. Something salted peppermint.
No, hindi siya peppermint. Pretzel.
Pretzel. Pala. I don't like peppermint.
Wait lang. Charger ko. Huy!